Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel BlairTech256. In this video tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to transfer files from Android to PC using Xender. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications and never miss any helpful video on my channel. Okay, so let us get started and let me explain a bit about this. Okay. As usually, transfer files from Android to Android using Xender. Xender normally creates a hotspot because the two phones must be connected on the same network to transfer the files. Okay, so in this time around, to transfer files from Android to PC, you have to first turn on the hotspot on your Android device. So go to settings. So this is my Android device, so just head to settings, okay, and then head to network and internet, and then you turn on the hotspot right here, hotspot and tethering, and then you turn it on. Okay, so you must your PC must connect to the hotspot created, so you have to connect it. So this PC must be connected to the Wi-Fi and get connected on the same network to transfer the files. Okay, so we are connected. Now what you need to do is to go to your Xender application on your Android device. So just head back. So let us look for the Xender application. Here it is. Tap on your Xender application and open it up. Okay, so here we are. What you need to do is to go in the right corner right here, you tap on that and then you click on connect PC. Okay, then the second step is to open up your search engine, your browser like Google Chrome, Firefox or anything. Okay, and then you type in this address below. Okay, so let me go ahead and type it in. You have to type it the way it is. Sorry, this is not the right one. Okay, 168.43 sorry 43 point 103 and then 3345. It will look different on your Android device because it changes every time. So this is mine. Okay, so you receive a notification on your Android device that connects to PC. You have to click on accept. Okay, and then boom, you're connected to your Android device. You can transfer files from your Android device to PC and from PC to your Android device. Okay, so on your Android device just click here, okay, and then here also you click on confirm. So here we are. You can see this is our phone, Tecno CC6, and you can see that right here. So if you want to copy like photos from your Android device to PC, you can either use the browser itself and you look for the photos by yourself and you start downloading them. So if you want to download one by one, you can just click on the photo that you would like this one, tap on it, and then you click on the download button right here. If not, you can also download it via here. So you click on download, it will be downloaded. Okay, you click on save, you can see it is downloaded. If not, you can even click on this, it will be downloaded. Okay, and if you want to download multiple files, If you want to download multiple files, you can go ahead and tap on these buttons like here. You tap on that, they will be highlighted, and then you can click on download. All of the photos will be downloaded. Okay, just click on save. They will be into the zip format like this because there are multiple files, but you can extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip. So let me show you how to do this. If you downloaded multiple files, they will be in this format, zip format, but you have to extract them. You have to be with WinRAR, so I'm using WinRAR. Then you click on extract here or extract to the folder. So let me extract them to the folder. Okay, so here they are. You can see them, all the files they are downloaded. You can see them. Okay, if you downloaded multiple files. Okay, so another thing, you can download the apps on your Android device as well. You can go to apps and you can see the applications on your Android device. So these are the applications. You can see APK Pure, Candy Crush, Android VPN. There are so many Android applications, and if you want to download them, still you can do the same procedure. If you want to download one file, you click on this button, download. It will be downloaded. Okay, and if you want to download multiple files, just have to click on any file that you would like. Okay, and then you click on here the download button. If you download multiple files, they'll be in the zip format. For the APKs, maybe they are not, they won't be in the zip format. You can see that. Okay, and another thing, you can access the file manager as well right here, file manager, and then this is your file manager of your Android device. And then you can download files from any folder that you would like, as to say this one right here. You can download the full folder. You click on the folder and then you click on download. If not, you can just download the content within the file, the folder. And as to say, if you want to download all of these, you can click on control and then you go ahead and click on any file that you would like. Okay, so if you only want one, you just have to click on just one and then you click on download. Okay, it will be downloaded. Okay, and another thing, if you want to transfer files to your Android device, you can just drag a file. You can, as to say this one right here, you drag it and then it will be uploaded on your Android device. So you can see that it is uploaded to my Android device right here. It is here. It is simple. You just have to drag and drop, simple. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications and never miss any helpful video on my channel. I sign out.